Abariisa abari kureebera omu kutunga amatungo mingi gatara kubaheereza entasya nibeehanangirizibwa okutandika kwemesa amatungo gaabo n'amaizi narishi artificial insemination.
Conception ya godya hasi so muchanda atisi nokwesa conventional na n'ekindi inseminator arebe ngu mazima ya hakisa ente eyari kureeba ngu nerebeka gye teine stress ya mani konga kuchira bya byona no kureba ngo ente to managing stress ya heat stress age okay.
Artificial insemination enables us to access superior genetics that can significantly enhance the quality and productivity of our livestock.
Ebi bigambirwe na Mara Anthony ori commissioner omu government z'ebyanga aha mukoro gw'okutongoza abashaho abatendekirwe okwemesa amatungo n'amaizi. Arikurira ekitongore kya Agric and DB nagira ngu obu nibwo bwire abariisa okutamaani omu kuriisa kurungi amatungo gaabo okurwanisa endwara okubasa kutunguura ebyoburiisa.
Comparative advantage is in livestock farming. Then it means that we need to re-strategize. So as Hamid mentioned and the rest, it is about animal genetics, animal health, animal nutrition. So if the effort must be on the entire value chain.
And the project for local economic growth support project, equip technicians to go back to their localities and improve the genetic, giving farmers an opportunity to make more money from farming.
Bamwe omu batungire obukugu nibagira ngu bashomesibwe okuba kubasa kutunguura entasya z'abariisa bari kubaheereza amaizi marungi okuruga omu nte nungi.
Training nungi munonga ahakuba nkihanga ntugyetaaga, especially nkahati nkitwa abokuruga mu Western Uganda aha ente niyo ziri konka ente zitwine noshanga abokuzikurosinga bari baki.
We have observed these districts tend to keep animals anywhere. So, you know, for us it's a logic. If you're cattle stressed, you're keeping a lot of animals, we've done a baseline, we've confirmed that. So what is next? Let's improve your breed, let's increase the quantity of milk, let's increase the income that is coming to your household.
Abahereze omushomo ogu bahirwe ebikwato okubahweraho okutandika emirimo yabo. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.